Hello and welcome to this fast activity brought to you by Central Northern Regional Libraries. My name's Julian and this time we're going to make a Vortex cannon. It's really simple. All you're going to need is a box, it can be any box, some scissors and some tape. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by sealing off this box. We want to make sure there's no openings, that way the air is going to come out of the hole we're going to cut in the top. So I'm just going to tape up this bit. And you want to make sure you go along everywhere so the whole box is taped and enclosed. Now, we're going to cut a hole. And we're probably, going to do a reasonable size, probably about this big. This is a little bit dangerous, this one, because we're using scissors, so make sure you get an adult to help. So I'm going to start by just putting a hole in it. So I can get my scissors in, and I'm just going to cut the hole. And that's not too bad. Okay, so in order to shoot this Vortex cannon, one of the things you're going to want to do, you're going to sort of try to do a big clap, and you want to clap the side of the box. If you find it easy, you can just sit it on a table or something. But what I like to do is just sort of put it in the air a little bit and then slap it like this. And that forces the air. The harder you slap it, and the quicker you slap it, forces the air out really fast and it shoots it in a big blast. All right, let's try to hit some targets. So when you hit the box, it collides directly with the air molecules inside, and this starts a chain reaction of high-speed collisions with other air molecules. The only way for them to escape is through the opening at the end of the box. The fast-moving air then mixes with the still air outside, and a vortex is formed because there is a higher air pressure on the outside of the ring as the surrounding air moves slowly, and a lower pressure on the inside as the air in the vortex moves faster. The vortex spins and stays together as it travels across the room. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.